so good on the limiter. Man, that thing sounds pissed off. Sounds so crispy.
Man, this thing's sneezing at us out there. Where's our LS fans at? I'll give him some liquid encouragement.